Yeah, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back, this is kingsfx trader right here. Welcome back. In this video I want to show you how I entered this trade. You can see my take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. Okay, we are doing something more than analysis right here. So it's very simple stuff here. I'm going to show you why I entered the trade and why I'm still going to hold the trade to take my profit 1, 2, 3, and how I'll be entering other trades, okay, on this particular USD JPY. Okay, it's very simple analysis. If you have been following me, you know I'm a price action trader. I focus on price. Okay, I always follow the price. I'm obedient to the price. Okay, some people think they can control the price. Some people say that they actually know where the price is going each time and all that, but I must tell you that nobody have the power to push the price anywhere apart from even though the big firm like financial firm or banks who are trading with a huge amount of money or trading capital can actually contribute to the price movement. Okay, but some of us are retail traders, we don't have enough money, okay, to move the price. So all we have to do is to follow the big banks, okay, follow those big financial firms who have this money. Okay, so and doing that, you have to also study the price action. You study how the price move, okay, the psychology behind the price movement, and be able to follow the price. Okay, for me, I said I'm a servant to the price. I follow the price. If the price is going up, I go up with the price. If the price is going down, I go down with the price. Okay, I don't want to be buying when the price is selling or selling when the price is buying. A lot of us are doing that, and you might say, oh, how do you know that the price is going to sell or buy? It's speculation. Forex trading is a market of speculation and probability. So you have to do your analysis and see the probability of the price selling over buying or the price buying over selling. So enough of this, let's dive into this analysis. Before I proceed, if you are new to forex trading, if you want to register with any broker, I think I leave a link of my broker. Okay, the broker I use hot forex. Okay, I use HF. Okay, HF market. All right, so because I think they have rebranded their company to HF instead of hot forex. Okay, no matter where you are in the country, they accept different. They have about 8 payment method for you to fund the account, and you can take your money anytime you want. In fact, a lot of things, okay, security, everything intact. Okay, and they even go as low as you have some package that have zero spread. Okay, which you can actually take advantage of. So you can check out the link below the description of this video to sign up with hot forex and also trade with them. All right, so now this analysis is very simple, guys. Now what I need to do is just to go to 4 hours time frame. Okay, 4 hours time frame. Now on 4 hours time frame, okay, you can see what is happening here. We had our price tested this particular level. Okay, you can see this level. I just have to have already marked out these levels when I was about taking this trade. Okay, I'm just showing you my analysis. Okay, so I was monitoring the price when the price retested that same level. Okay, so the second time the price is testing this level, so I'm expecting the price to push down this way. Okay, but in the process you have to take profit before this level, which is the previous swing low, because the price might come down to this point and push up again. Okay, so the most important thing is you understanding your take profit level so that you won't be waiting, because if you set your take profit at this level, okay, the price might come down here and reverse and start going up to this point. So you're actually right, but your take profit level won't be hit because it's far. You didn't consider the swing low. Okay, but the price might come down here and breaks this. The price might break this swing low and keep going down. Okay, once the price break here, now you can now stack in more more sell. Sorry, you can now stack in more sell. Okay, at this point. Okay, but before we proceed, I want to show you something on this trade, because some of you might say, how sure are you that the price is going to sell? Okay, how sure are you that the price is going to sell? Sorry. All right, so now if you look at this price action, okay, you discover we have a double top right there. Okay, the price retested that point. Then if I switch to 1 hour time frame, okay, that's the first thing I saw. All right, if I switch to 1 hour time frame, so let's see what's happening with 1 hour time frame. So remember, the price is currently on a resistance level, okay, which is the double top. All right, so now on 1 hour time frame, so on 1 hour time frame, you can see that at this point, let me do away with all these stuff here so that you won't be confused. Okay, so now on 1 hour time frame, if you zoom in, you are going to see at that resistance point, which is this point, you discovered a candlestick pattern right there. So we had an inside bar, okay, inside bar, bearish inside bar right there, Harami pattern. So it is a bearish signal, okay. So when you see Harami pattern forming on a resistance, okay, when you see the Harami pattern forming this way, so we are likely to push down, okay, the price is likely to be pushed down, okay, move down or sell massively, okay, because of this pattern. After that, we had a kind of bullish candlestick pattern, which is the dragonfly doji at this point. But if you look at this doji right there, it's forming at the wrong place. So doji is supposed to form on a support level to be powerful. All right, so when doji is forming on a resistance level, most time, more than 70% of the time, is not going to hold, okay. And when I discovered this inside bar, I already had my selling signal, okay. Then after this doji, then another doji formed a decision candlestick pattern right there. So I have to enter my sell at this point. So I just combine the double top I discovered at 4 hours time frame, switch to 1 hour time frame to confirm my entry, then I enter, okay, I entered the sell. Very simple analysis here. Then remember, if we go to daily time frame, I want you to understand something. That's why in forex trading, we do this is a business of speculation, okay. So you don't just say, okay, because you have seen double top, you have seen some kind of entry signal right here, which we use candlestick to enter, candlestick pattern. For the fact you have seen all this thing, you are now okay that the price is going to sell. The price might not sell, and I will show you the reason why the price might go against us. And that's why you have your stop loss at this level, so that even though the price go against us, we are not going to lose our account, okay. That's why it's important to consider your risk, okay, risk reward whenever you are placing a trade. Know how much you are risking per trade and how much you are willing to gain per trade. Now, before I show you why I said that this price might push up, okay, is now I want to show you how I plan this trade. You can see this is my TP1 at this level, because I marked out some levels, okay, some important levels here. You can see at this point the price, the line is serving as a resistance here, okay, serve as resistance here, okay. Then here is also a support, okay. So that's why I mark out this point as my TP1. So once the price gets to this my TP1, okay, I'm going to lock in some profit. All right, then you can see this level again is very strong level we have again. This line here is serving as both support and resistance. At this, if I shift this chart this way, you can see clearly that that is a strong line, a very strong line there. You can see here all these quick rejections there is serving as a support right there. From here to here to here to here, the price has been serving as resistance, okay, stopping the price. The line has been serving as resistance, stopping the price from pushing up further. All right, so you see how strong this line is. So this is the main line I'm looking at, okay. I'm monitoring this line. So when the price should come and trigger our take profit too, okay, then we are going to be stacking in more trades. We are going to be entering more trades, okay, because if the price breaks this line and push down, our next target is our TP3. That's the next movement. So we are going to stack in more trades, like 2 or 3, 4 trades here, in order to maximize our profit, okay. So the reason why I just put in like 2 trades here, okay, is because I just wanted to see if this is a swing point, a reversal point, okay, if this price is going to reverse to the opposite direction and start going down using our double top and the signal we got here, okay, on that is a candlestick pattern we got here, which is the bearish candlestick pattern right there, okay. So but once the price breaks this our TP2, we are going to stack in more trade that will lead us to this level, which is our TP3. Okay, now look at the a kind of something that you need to consider. Okay, that's why you must have this your stop loss set, because looking at our daily time frame, you discover that this USD JPY has been on a strong buy. Okay, a strong buy. Okay, it has been buying. In fact, currently the price of USD JPY is at a kind of new high. It has formed new high for over 10 years. Okay, over 10 years the price has not gotten to this point, USD JPY. So this is an opportunity for swing traders. Could this be the possible point this price going to swing to the downside? That is the question that everyone has to answer, and that's one of the reasons why I entered that sell at that point, so that if it happens to be the swing point to a downtrend, that means you are going to hold the trade for a very long period of time. Okay, so that's an interesting one there. So we have to check. You can see it has been buying. Okay, it has been buying, and if I should zoom in, you can see the pattern in which this price have been buying. Okay, the price will make an impulsive move. Okay, pull back a bit, another impulsive move, pull back, another impulsive move, pull back, and currently the price have pushed, is making another impulsive move. So if this impulsive move should break that our resistance, our stop loss will be triggered, guys. Okay, our stop loss will be triggered. So but if you look so if you look at our 1 hour time frame, if you look at our 1 hour time frame, you see, okay, we are having a signal that the price is going to drop, even though on a daily time frame the summary is an uptrend. Okay, but even if the price is currently trending up, we can still pick some pip down, okay, on a pullback. But the reason why, I don't like trading pullback, the main reason why I enter this trade is because I'm expecting a reversal here. I'm just seeing a swing point here, that the price is likely to swing to the downside at this point. Okay, because the price has been trending up for a very long period of time, so I'm expecting a swing at this point. Okay, so that's exactly, in fact, that's the main reason why I entered this trade. Okay, I'm not entering just to pick some pips because of pullback. I'm entering for a swing opportunity right here. Okay, so basically this is how simple the analysis I made, or the how I analyze this trade if I enter this sell on USD JPY. Okay, remember I just checked my 4 hours time frame. Okay, and I discovered that the price currently on a resistance after retesting that same point. Okay, this is the first point, the second point, forming M pattern right there. Okay, on 4 hours time frame. Then I switched to 1 hour time frame, and I discovered a candlestick pattern right there, which is a bearish candlestick pattern, the bearish inside bar, the Harami pattern right there. Okay, then after that I enter my trade, and I've set my TP1, I've set my TP2, and also my TP3. Okay, I've set my TP3 down also. Okay, so let's still keep our heads up and see how this price go. I strongly believe it's going to go it's going to sell. Okay, it's going to hit our TP1. At least it's going to hit our TP1. That's my target, that's my main target. Then after hitting our TP1, and if it breaks and push to TP2 and breaks it, I'll comfortably and stack in more trade. Okay, but currently I'm not doing any other thing except this price trigger my TP1, especially my TP2. That's where I'll be comfortable enough to stack in more trade. Okay, so let's see. That's why you also have our stop loss at this level, so that even though the price should reverse and start going up at this point, our broker will close our trade. Okay, so this is the analysis, how simple this thing is. Remember, the broker I use is HF Market. So if you want to sign up with them, the link will be in the description of this video. Click on the description of this video and you see the link, then you sign up with them, fund the account and start trading. So one amazing thing about this broker is that their support team is very interesting. Okay, so as you even registering for an account, they are assigning a particular person who will manage, account manager to you, so that if you are having issue, the person is going to chat you up on WhatsApp, call you on phone, and you guys will talk. Then you save the person's contact. Then anytime you have issue, funding, withdrawal, or anything at all, okay, that person is always there for you. You can chat on WhatsApp, you can call the person on phone and all that. So that is the more, in fact, if you are trading with any broker, you should have to consider the customer service. Okay, once you are done with your security, you know that your money is secure. The next thing you are going to be checking when you are choosing a broker is the customer service, because sometimes you might encounter any issues, or you send a mail or or email or message or anything, or live chat at all, you just keep waiting for up to 1 week before you receive a reply. So but this one, it doesn't take a minute for you to get to your manager, and the manager is in a good position to tell you what to do and how you can actually manage your account properly. So that is that for this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Remember to subscribe if you have not. Remember to like this video and share. Okay, it's just a simple analysis I wanted to show you. You can also monitor the trade and see how it goes on your own. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye for now. Enjoy.